Contracts with minors present a unique legal situation. While many assume these agreements are automatically void, the reality is more nuanced. Most contracts with minors are actually voidable, not void. This means the minor has the option to either honor the agreement or legally back out of it. This protection exists because the law presumes minors lack the full capacity to understand the obligations they're assuming. Historically, anyone under 21 was considered a minor, but today most states define minors as individuals under 18 years of age. The law allows minors this special protection to prevent others from taking advantage of their inexperience. When a minor chooses to exit a contract, this is called disaffirmance. Minors can disaffirm a contract at any time during their minority and for a reasonable period after reaching adulthood. This can be done through words or actions that show they no longer wish to be bound by the agreement. However, disaffirmance comes with certain rules. If the minor still possesses what they received under the contract, they must return it. But if the item has been damaged, destroyed, or spent, most states still allow the minor to void the contract anyway. Consider this example. Helen, age 17, purchases a motorcycle on credit after misrepresenting her age. When she damages the motorcycle days later, she returns it and voids the contract. Under common law, she can typically avoid the contract despite both the misrepresentation and the damage, though some states may require her to pay for damages due to her fraudulent behavior. Not all contracts with minors can be voided. The most significant exception involves necessities, contracts for food, clothing, shelter, and medical care. Courts enforce these agreements to ensure minors have access to essential services, though the minor is usually only responsible for the reasonable value of what was provided. Other exceptions include military contracts, bank regulations, penalties, and taxes. These cannot typically be voided by minors. Misrepresentation of age creates additional complications. While many states still permit disaffirmance even when a minor lies about their age, others may prevent it if the misrepresentation was material, require restitution, or enforce the contract entirely if fraudulent behavior is established. Certain industries have developed specific protections. In entertainment, for example, California law permits judicial approval of a minor's contract for film roles, music recording agreements, or modeling. Once approved by a court, these contracts become non-voidable, providing certainty to employers while still protecting the minor's interests. Timing also matters. If a minor fails to disaffirm within a reasonable time after reaching adulthood, they may be seen as having ratified the agreement. Ratification can be express, such as stating acceptance of terms, or implied, such as continuing to make payments. Once ratified, a contract becomes legally binding and can no longer be disaffirmed. The legal system balances two competing interests, protecting vulnerable minors from exploitation while also maintaining the integrity of contractual relationships. Understanding these nuances helps both minors and those who contract with them navigate these complex legal waters more effectively.